The system uses 3D cameras to analyze each part, identify their positions, and create a plan of action. It then delicately grips, aligns, and connects the components using force sensors to avoid over-tightening or misalignments, a common downfall in human furniture building endeavors. Imagine a robot patiently deciphering the flat-pack chaos and executing with the grace of a seasoned craftsman. But here's the twist. The robot wasn't pre-programmed with the IKEA manual. Instead, it figured things out through vision-based learning, a significant leap in robotic intelligence. This isn't about brute force and blind repetition. It's about perception, adaptability, and problem-solving, just like us. Only better. Unlike humans, the robot doesn't curse, lose screws, or pause to rethink Step 4B while squinting at diagrams. The implications of this tech go far beyond assembling furniture. The research pushes the boundaries of automation, showing how machines can take on complex, fine motor tasks that once seemed too nuanced. The same capabilities could be applied to fields like elder care, surgical assistance, manufacturing, or disaster recovery, anywhere precision and adaptability are key. It's the dawn of collaborative robots or cobots, machines that don't replace us but work alongside us to enhance productivity and reduce human error. Yet, there's a charming irony in all of this. IKEA furniture, famous for its simplicity and DIY spirit, has now become the proving ground for advanced robotics. It's as if we've challenged machines to walk in our shoes, or rather, build our chairs, and they've answered with quiet confidence. That hum of a torque-controlled robotic wrist might just be the sound of the future knocking at your door. Flat pack in hand. Still, this tech is far from ready for consumer use. The setup is expensive and requires lab conditions for now. But imagine a future where you scan your furniture box, and a robot assembles it while you sip coffee and binge-watch your favorite series. No more missing dowels or existential crises over Allen wrenches. Just plug, play, and presto. Your home is fully furnished by a tireless helper who never complains. In a broader context, this robotic breakthrough also touches on the evolving role of humans in the workspace. As robots become more capable, our jobs will shift from execution to supervision, creativity, and coordination. The challenge is not just technical but societal. How do we integrate these tireless machines into a world designed by and for humans? The IKEA bot is a playful yet profound symbol of what's possible when we combine human intelligence with robotic precision. So next time you crack open a box from IKEA, remember, somewhere in a lab, a robot is doing it better, faster, and cleaner. But it's not here to outdo you. It's here to help. And maybe, just maybe, it'll save you from arguing with your partner over which way the shelf panel goes. In the end, technology like this doesn't take away the human touch. It enhances it, one well-assembled chair at a time. Like and subscribe.